I want to share a small story and a small experience from my life. Once, a young man went to a guru to learn music. He stayed for many years, but the guru taught him only one song. The young man became unhappy. One day, he left the ashram. Later, he got a chance to sing at a music program. He sang that one song. Everyone was deeply touched. They asked, "Who is your guru?" "Your guru is a great master." Then the young man understood the greatness of his guru. He came back and bowed at his guru's feet. From my own small experience, I learned one thing. A guru gives knowledge. The student is ready. I do not have a strong academic education, but Gurudev's grace, I learned many beautiful things in a short time. His knowledge gave me peace, joy, and a new way of living. Before meeting Gurudev, I read many books, but after meeting him, I started to experience those truths in my own life. For me, Gurudev's wisdom is a light. It shows the right path. I feel very grateful to walk on that path. Thank you for watching. May love, peace, and joy be with you.